Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Homvos brand, their wireless lavalier lapel microphone for iPhone, Android phone, camera, laptop, GoPro, plug-and-play clip-on. This company provides a 2-year warranty, comes a nice instruction booklet, and this really nice holder which zippers closed, looks really high-tech. We're going to take everything out of here so you see what you get. So here's everything out of the package. I already tested this and it works excellent. So what's really nice is this doesn't use Bluetooth. This is the receiver right here. Really nice and small. Has a little power button there and a little charge indicator. And notice it has 4 3.5 millimeter connections on there. Has a little adapter so that you can plug that in and use it on GoPro. And I'm going to be testing it on a DSLR camera. And it works great. And then you have the transmitter itself with a USB-C port on there and a little clip so that you can wear this on a shirt. And it has additional 2 other windscreens plus the one that's on there. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable is included, and these cool adapters right here. And this one right here allows you to go from the receiver, plugs in right there, to your Apple phone, and I tested that and it worked. I'm going to show you how that works. And here is USB-C to USB-C, so you're going to plug it in back of there, and then you're going to be able to go to your phone. Now I have a Pixel 6, and I'll show you how I use it on that. But this is really nice. There's no Bluetooth involved, so there's no delay. It'll work for about 30 feet. It uses advanced circuitry in here to control the channel between there so you don't get noise. There's noise control circuitry in there so that you actually get no noise really. It's really crisp, clear. And this is a 360-degree microphone. It'll pick up pretty much anything all the way around it. And it's got that windbreaker on there. And the intelligent noise canceling is part of the algorithm they use inside here, and it seems to work. So actually you get 35 feet of range, and I did test, I actually got 42 feet. But you get 35 feet is what they specify it. And what's really nice also is that there's minimal delay between the transmitter and the receiver. We're talking about a delay of only 0.009 or 9 milliseconds. And that's really impressive. So with all these different choices and these adapters, you're going to be able to use this in any camera you have, whether it's the GoPro, your mobile phone, Android, or your Apple phone. This is going to work great. There's no driver required or Bluetooth, as I mentioned, and that's what makes this so simple to use. This is going to be my go-to wireless microphone. Charging the transmitter is very simple. You plug the USB-C in on any 1 amp or greater, and there's a little LED right there, and the LED will turn off when it is fully charged. To do the receiver portion, it's very similar. You plug it into the back right here, and it'll have that orange looking LED, and that'll turn off when it's fully charged. First thing I'm going to demo is I have my Pixel 6, my brand new phone, and I've got some app here that I'm going to be using this record. So normally it goes and uses the microphones. There's a couple microphones on the phone. What we're going to do here is we're going to plug this in with the included cable. I'm going to plug it into the bottom of my phone to see if it can access the audio portion of the phone. Now I'm going to turn this on by pressing this down. Now it starts blinking because it wants to sync up with the transmitter. I'm going to turn that on, hold the button down, and you get that little blue LED right there. And when the blue LED comes on both of them, you know that it's synchronized up. And now we should be able to hit record on here. Testing 1, 2, 3. And now you can see it's responding to my voice. Now I'm going to walk all the way back into my studio here. It's about 15 feet, 20 feet. that's 30 feet away, 35 feet away. So you can see it picks up really nice, gives you a really clear audio signal. And it's recording, it recorded it perfectly and allows you to record anything. And of course you could use your video camera to record also. I'm just demonstrating it so you can see the audio there. 35 feet away. So you can see it picks up really nice, gives you a really clear audio signal. So here's another example. I have a camcorder right here, and it doesn't accept typically the 4-pin. It wants a 3-pin, so I'm going to use the included adapter right there. Now it's a 3-pin, and I'm going to plug it into the microphone input on the camera, and now I can start recording. So now the audio is coming from the transmitter. Testing 1, 2, 3. You can see the little audio response right there. And I can record a video. I go 35 feet away, use the microphone and that receiver and that little adapter, and it works perfectly and puts clear sounds into this camcorder. And also you could use this microphone when you're recording videos. So when you're in the video mode, it'll come up with a message on the Pixel 6 or whatever phone you're using, and then you could record using the wireless microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to walk further away now. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So it's very clear sound, and you can get right into your app, and you can record your videos and get high quality sound. It's really nice. And in terms of time you're going to get out of this, this will last for over 2 hours. I tested it at about 2.5 hours of use in one charging cycle. That's really good. So here's an example of an Apple phone. This I believe is an SE. And I've got it plugged into the bottom right there. So the phone's detecting it. And I have the receiver on. And I have the little wireless microphone transmitting. So I can hit this app right here, hit record, testing 1, 2, 3, and I can talk right into the little microphone and play it back perfectly. So you can see it's responding to my voice. And I can go 35 to 40 feet away and it works flawlessly. Now I can play it back. Testing 1, 2, 3, and I can talk right into the little microphone and play it back perfectly. So you can see it's responding to my voice. And I can go 35 to 40 feet away and it works flawlessly. And when you're finished, all you do is hold the button down on each unit and it'll turn off that LED and you're all set. You're all turned off now. So after testing, what do I think about the Homvos brand, their wireless lavalier lapel microphone? As I demonstrated, this is a cool product. It works with my Pixel 6, works with my Apple phone. Comes with this great holder, all the interfaces you're going to need to use this in your camcorder, your DSLR, your GoPro, or your Apple or Android phone. Really nice product, simple to use, great range, and digital clarity from this little microphone to that receiver. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.